Hello, I'm Brian McGinn of CompleteCPA.com. So you've started a business. Here are 10 tips on starting a business with ease, and certainly creating a business plan. You ought to be able to put it on a single page. Maybe divide that page into fourths so that you have sales and marketing, how you're going to get the work done, the finance and accounting goals, and your long-range strategic and personal goals with the business. So that in a summary place that you can post up there to keep you focused as you start out, that would be really important. Obviously, have a name and branding. Many people are forming LLCs or corporations, and typically you can do that with your state Secretary of State online. As far as the legal side of things, find an attorney, find an accountant. Well, that's very common advice. Here at CompleteCPA.com, we are small business owners and only work with small businesses, so you won't become a number with us. File the paperwork as far as forming LLC, getting your tax ID numbers, we can assist with that. As far as insurance, that's very important because unfortunately, you often will have a target on your back when somebody knows that you have a small business, because generally that's going to mean you have insurance. So it's really important because there are so many things that you may not expect to happen that can, and you don't want to be exposed if they do. Lastly, once you have the entity formed, if that's the direction that you choose to go, or even if you remain a sole proprietor, open a bank account, basically see about getting a line of credit. Many banks will issue a small line of credit to start that can help go a long way towards helping you invest into the business. Also, as far as your business location, depends on the type of business, but many times they can be operated from your home, by your smartphone or tablet. But obviously, if it's a product or a service that you are dependent on people locating you, finding you to obtain it, then location does hold a lot of water. So congratulations on starting your business. We have a lot more information that we can share with you, both on our website as well as contacting us for a consultation and to see if we can be working together moving forward. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.